Today I wanted to demonstrate a proof of concept of my latest project. This is a weather station I've been working on. It consists of a small sensor array, which is a SHT15, a humidity and temperature sensor, the breakout boards by SparkFun, and a light dependent resistor in a voltage divider, which I'm reading over the analog input on my Arduino. I'm sending this data over the serial port to my computer, and I'm interpreting it with a Visual Basic program. On the Arduino side, the only thing that's necessary is to serial print the data. Typically, you would read this over your serial monitor in the Arduino IDE, but I'm going to be interpreting that data with my Visual Basic program. I learned how to do this based off a YouTube video. I will link that video in the description so you can do this yourself. But the main gist of it is you take control of the serial port, which is that first sub, public sub form load. In that command we have serial port open, which it grabs control of the serial port, and I read it every 2.5 seconds or 2,500 milliseconds. Whenever I read it as long as there is data to read. Read serial equals read serial port 1 read existing. I then create a chart. I convert the string data that I got from the serial port to doubles. I then plot those values, and then I have two if-else structures for determining which image to show. The UI I've made shows all of this. On the left side you can see the raw data that I'm getting from the Arduino, plus the conversion. I only send one of these temperature values, which is the Celsius, and then I do the conversion on the Visual Basic side. In the center you can see the chart that I'm plotting based off that data, and on the right side you can see the images. The sun image is determined solely off the light dependent resistor, and the desert image is determined off of the humidity and temperature sensor. So as I take my hand and put it close to the light dependent resistor, let's see if I can get the camera to focus up, you'll see that the image will change from a sun to a sun with clouds. And then if I cover it completely with my hand, it should change to night. The desert image works in the same way, where if the sensor detects humidity and determines which temperature it is, it will change accordingly. So I have 3 images for the desert as well. It will show either snow, rain, or a desert image. I'm going to place my hand close to the sensor, and the perspiration off of my hand should raise it to where it shows the rain. There you go. This is the project, which is interpreting Arduino data on the computer. I wanted to be able to represent the data I found visually instead of just numerically. And if you have any questions or comments about this project, please leave them below.